In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download email subscriber list from Substack. By the end, you'll have a clean CSV file of your subscribers that you can open in a spreadsheet or import into another email service. We'll keep this simple and safe using only the built-in tools inside your Substack dashboard. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the Substack publication where you have the right permissions. Using a desktop browser will make this process smoother and easier to follow. Head to substack.com and open your publication dashboard. This is your home base where you manage posts, settings, and audience. Look to the left-hand sidebar and choose subscribers. That page shows your audience list, including who's free, who's paid, and overall growth. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct publication if you manage more than one. You don't need to change anything here to export. We're just making sure you can see the full list and that everything looks up to date before moving on. Now focus on the top right corner of the subscribers page. You'll see a small menu icon with 3 dots, sometimes called the More or Overflow menu. Click that to reveal additional options that aren't shown by default. From that menu, choose Export. Substack will prepare a CSV file of your subscriber data. Depending on your account and browser, it may download immediately to your default downloads folder, or Substack may send you an email with a secure link to retrieve the file once it's ready. When the file is ready, open it with a spreadsheet app like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. You'll typically see columns such as email address, subscription status, and other basic details that help you segment and analyze your audience. Keep this file secure since it contains personal data. Store it in a trusted location, limit access to your team, and consider encrypting or password protecting archives. If you plan to import it into another service, respect unsubscribes and consent preferences to stay compliant with email and privacy regulations. If you don't see the export option, refresh the page, confirm you're an admin on that publication, and try a different browser if needed. You can also check for pop-up blockers that might interfere with downloads. That's it, the fastest and most reliable way to download your email subscriber list from Substack. Thanks for watching and enjoy organizing your audience with confidence.